I don't have any metal. Yeah, we're good.
Good with belt?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, give it one. There you go, sir.
Thank you. I'll just sit over here. Put my belt back on. 1 second. And it's on backwards. Okay. Afternoon.
Last time I was here. Is that guy still working today? He's in here today?
Yeah, you want to put your thing down?
Yeah, I'll go ahead and get supervised. No supervisor here.
Do we have one?
Yeah,
For
supervisor.
security or?
For the police.
No, I think. You walk through one more time? Come on, bro. There you go. Maybe like,
Here, I'll take it.
thanks.
This one here today. It's discovery motion. They won't even give discovery into this one. It's on the track.
Stop for 2 seconds.
Last time I was here, the guy said that dance when you start seeing. It wasn't that guy, it was the other guy over here.
Yeah, that should be a lot of money. I think that's when it stops.
And it goes if it's not.
Paperwork. I'm gonna talk to the supervisor here to report that incident that happened in this car. You have 30 days to report it. According to their own.
Yeah.
Big guy working the desk now.
That one.
This right here.
Well, the other one probably needed anger management.
The other one, when they brought that supervisor out, I don't know if you've seen the whole video, but the supervisor came out and told him to leave.
Well, that's
Because he walked out the door.
that's
As I
actually
was leaving, he wasn't out there. So he had to went on.
maybe he's no longer working here.
That might have been the last straw for him. He had to done something doing desk duty in the first place. Definitely wasn't made in good faith. Next person here on the say next.
You can stay back here.
Good. I'm here because my rights were violated, but I'm about to go through. I'm gonna file this motions for discovery. I also filed a motion last week for a speedy trial. Has that been responded to? They denied a speedy trial. That's about, you have a right to a speedy trial. Can you give me a copy of them denying the speedy trial? Did they deny the discovery too?
I think it's like your Sixth Amendment, something like that.
Yeah, you have a right to a speedy trial. She just said they denied it. You said you got paperwork to show for that? No, I like to see that.
June 7th to your address.
I told you I don't want anything mailed to me. Well, I'm not gonna get it, that's why I'm here now.
What is this for? Oh, just for community service?
They denied a speedy trial for the people watching.
Yeah, but I'm gonna bring it back, right? Yes.
Just on that,
They give a reason why?
it could be dismissed on that. An appellate court, they could be automatically just.
They don't want to go to trial. They're running. If they had evidence to show I was guilty, they'd have no problem with a speedy trial. Now they're denied a speedy trial.
Just on that, you can kick it up to appellate court, freeze everything, and then have it dismissed.
All right, I'll go ahead and forward this.
Request a speedy trial right there, dude.
What does it say? Denied?
Anything else, Mr. Warden?
What about the discovery?
Yeah, what about the discovery?
There's not a response on that yet.
They don't have any discovery?
No, there's not a response yet.
I didn't put it there.
It didn't even have a reason on here. What was the reason for the denial of the speedy trial? You got anything on there?
For the speedy trial, it says
Yeah.
on there, your citation is less than 30 days old.
Said the cause less than 30 days old.
Just let them know that you're not.
Respond within 10 days.
Just let them know that you're not waiving time.
Yeah. Is there a trial date set? They don't want to have a trial at all?
They do, but it's
When is
not
it?
time yet.
Okay. Yeah, they're running.
Have a good
That's all we can do on that. It's documented. That's all that matters.
Yes, sir. I'd like to speak with a supervisor over an incident that happened when I was here last week. It's nothing that pertains to you, it's pertaining to another officer that had a problem here last week, and I want to raise that with the supervisor.
Tracy, are you in the building?
Motion for speedy trial.
Jason, is Tracy gone?
Yeah, just as long as they know that you haven't waived time and that's documented.
Okay, she in that meeting.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
There's someone here that wants to speak to her.
I'm gonna report an incident. Every other time I've been here, every interaction I've had with you guys has been peaceful except for that one time. My problem is dealing with the courts.
I don't know nothing about it.
Being a non-speak trial. I know, I'm just saying, like, every time I've been here, the interactions I've had with you guys have been positive somewhat. Until the last time I came here, then we had an officer out acting outside the law, making threats. Doesn't even know what he's talking about. It definitely wasn't made in good faith, I tell you that. Based on what the law says.
You want to speak to the supervisor about an incident that happened when he was here last time?
Somebody coming? Okay, appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah. That's it for my records. I have filed a motion for discovery and I've not received discovery. I'm talking to how y'all run things here and they have my right to speak trial. Denied. You don't have a right to defend them, you don't have a right to defend yourself, you don't have a right to bear arms, you don't have a right to speak. You don't have a right to a speedy trial, you don't have a right to presumption of innocence. What rights do you have now?
You don't have the right to have a camera in your hand to record a cop, even though District 5, Supreme Court's already ruled on it. Supreme Court's ruled on it, Turner v. Driver.
Yeah, like I was saying, it ain't got nothing to do with you. I'm not involved with you. And last time I was here, I didn't speak to my spoken
The incident that we're talking about, was it with a bailiff?
It was with a officer.
Somebody over
Here's
here.
the person sitting in the chair you're in now. Unless this was true, I mean, he was sitting right there and I was standing in line and I wasn't talking to nobody. The guy starts waving me down. He says, "What's up?" So I say, "Hey, how's it going?" He says, "Hey, what's up?" And I said, "What, you want to know why I'm here?" He says, "Nope, I don't care," and laughed and was looking at his buddy like he's trying to clown me. So said, okay, well, F you too then. Then he tried to say I was disorderly, that disorderly conduct laws state the person's provoked. And they don't have, the person that's provoked is exempt from disorderly conduct. It's worded significant provocation. Provocation means annoyed, alarmed, harassed. That's what happened to me.
Our supervisors.
And threatened with arrest, by the way. I was standing there. No, you said supervisor on the way? I'm sorry, I didn't
Said
mean
she's in a meeting, we're trying to get her.
to. Oh, they're trying to get her out here.
This is the next court date, probably not. Marcus calendar and told me.
Okay.
And what she has allowed.
Somebody know class?
Not yet. You already?
No, trying to find person.
Oh, man. You said take the stairs.
Oh, thank you.
All right, so, I'll follow the motion from Then, if they say no, it's not the fault, it's the traffic. It's not, but my. That's what's on the line, but it's in the supervisor, it's not the name, but,
Do you have a water fountain?
Hallway left.
Yeah, but
So much.
Thank you, Ms. Julia, for your time. Have a great afternoon.
you too.
I don't even know for sure.
It had to have, she used to fight for it.
Oh, okay. Then I just sure I was. Waiting for supervisor to come down.
Is that an issue that has been happening here a lot, like you were saying in line, that bailiffs start harassing people in line?
No.
That's when last time I was here.
just you.
Hey, that only happened to me, that you know of?
I don't know about that.
I'm telling you,
27,000 people seen it.
it's definitely on
Over
YouTube.
27,000 people have seen it. They're pretty upset about it.
Okay.
Did they deny your discovery?
Yeah, they did. They denied a speedy trial and they denied discovery.
So that
You have a right to a speedy trial.
you absolutely got it. You have the right to discovery, so you can know how to when you go.
You can't defend yourself adequately without discovery.
Exactly.
It's under the Michael
You
Moore.
got to know the questions that are going to be asked before, so you can prepare for it.
When I was here last time, I was by myself when they tried to interfere in my trial, making a false arrest. They don't even want to have trial. If they want to have a trial, they said, okay, let's do a speedy trial, then we got good evidence.
Well, see, that's the thing. They're trying to build that evidence right now. That's why they want to. That's why they don't want you to waive that time, so they can have all this
Their plan the
window.
last time was have one of the bailiffs try to start a confrontation with me and then say I was being disorderly. That's what the judges told me and the DA's.
They're just trying to create a charge of something, just to make it justifiable in their eyes to throw you through the system.
Well, there's no justification. You have a right to film in this country.
Yeah.
And Arlington Police Department don't respect that right. Well, specifically Tabitha Brown, Lauren.
Yeah, Tabitha, the one that arrested you. Yeah.
They don't respect their citizens either. They pull them over and terrorize them all the time on Cooper Street.
Yeah, exactly.
Talking about every minute, boom, boom, boom. Especially college students, because they think the college students have money.
Yeah.
They go after the ones that have money. They don't really care about real crime. Like when that brawl broke out, and the only person that got threatened was the guy filming. because the officers were afraid to get in a scuffle. So they went after the camera guy. Most of the people they have walking in here are paying hundreds of dollars in tickets. That's all it is, extortion. That's what this place is. I mean, if people are wise to it. They know what's going on.
Most of them
What I find, really what that officer did was illegal.
she was ignorant of the law. She didn't know the law. She doesn't know the law.
Yeah, the guy working.
She just thinks that she is the law. And yeah.
They think if they say it, then it's the law, even if there's no penal code behind it. That's Arlington police law. File a complaint with internal affairs. Never hear nothing back. You want to file a complaint in person? Complaint goes in the trash can.
And then they try to intimidate you while you're in the
And
process.
threaten you, or if you try to represent yourself, they'll also threaten you.
Or they'll say, turn your camera off, let's go back here. And that just sounds intimidating right there from the beginning. It's like, let's go back in the
Or they
back
walk up
room.
with 4 or 5 people and with their hands on their guns trying to
Yeah.
surrounding you.
Or they'll try to intimidate you to leave.
I thought it was pretty crazy when that sheriff's deputy sexually assaulted Carolina. And instead of arresting the deputy for sexual assault, they arrested me for speaking at a public meeting, just for me talking about it. But the sexual assault happened on camera, oh, that's totally fine. What we're worried about is people speaking and exposing them. That's what we're worried about.
So is there paperwork or something he can fill out for this complaint? Or does it have to be in person? Or does it have to be a supervisor? Or, I mean, how does that normally go as far as the process of filing a complaint?
There's no paperwork that I know of.
Because it's usually thrown away? Is it usually thrown away? Is that why there's usually no paperwork? I mean,
Don't put words in my mouth.
no, that's what it sounded like. I'm just saying. I mean,
We're waiting on a
cops
supervisor.
always put words in our mouth. It's like that saying, everything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law because you absolutely have the right to the Fifth Amendment regardless if you're arrested or not. I don't answer questions. That's all you had to say.
It says in their handbook for filing complaints, they have paper copies.
Don't put words in my mouth.
I don't think he ever called for a supervisor, honestly. She'd have already been down here by now.
I guess they like the cameras.
Oh, when the guy was on the phone, when the deputy was on the phone trying to make false charges, the supervisor came down here quick. I don't see what the deputy said. The officer called the supervisor. They're down here within minutes. You asked for a supervisor. How long have you been down here?
We've been here 23 minutes.
You know, some people are busy, they have other things to do than
Looks pretty dead in here.
But here's the
send
thing.
someone to come in.
When you have an officer trying to make a false arrest on the phone, and I got him on camera doing it.
That's a logical
Supervisor comes up here
fallacy.
waiting for him, but when it's a citizen that has a problem, they like to take their
Maybe she wasn't
sweet
busy
time.
at that time. Might try calling and
You could
making
be
an
right.
appointment.
Call and make an appointment. You got a phone number, guys can call and make an appointment.
Call the court here and ask for the
Oh, call
bailiff
the court.
supervisor.
Do you have Tracy's phone number? We can just call her?
Not that we give out to the public, no,
Well, then how would we make an appointment with her?
just like I just said.
Yeah.
Well, what happens with that is you call down here and then,
And then
oh, that
someone's,
person's busy.
or the message never gets relayed.
Or like the con job lawyers, oh, they're not here right now. Yeah, you have to call back later. You call 10 days in a row. Never available, never there, never respond to emails. That's how the whole phone call thing works.
Like the lawyer, yeah. We documented that. The lawyer, absolutely not. I mean,
Dude, I filed a complaint with Internal Affairs over 30 days ago, and they still haven't responded.
so we're doing it our way.
And called, never got a call back, nothing.
When the system's broke and there's no way to redress your government, this is when cameras show up and start exposing stuff. Mm-hmm.
Kind of like what Tabitha Brown did with your police department, violated my First Amendment rights to film. Houston v. Hill. Turner V driver. You have a right to film anything you see in public. But Arlington Police Department doesn't respect that right, that's why I'm here today. If you guys had integrity, that woman wouldn't even be on force right now. But I don't expect y'all to have integrity.
With the lawsuits being filed.
Yeah, there'll be a lawsuit filed for sure. What their hopes is the federal court will just,
You ought to get her actual file, her personnel file.
I've requested that, they're denying everything.
They can't, I mean, they
Hey, we
have,
go to records, I'll prove it to you. I can show you the email.
and that's when you get the Attorney
The
General
only time I
involved.
get an email back from them is when they're trying to deny public records. That's the only time.
Yeah, it's time to contact the Attorney
You
General.
can't even get public records, that's our records, not theirs.
Yeah, they're just custodians.
Right. Well, they think that any
Well,
police
is
record.
she gonna attempt to come down today? I mean, does she know we're
I do
here?
not know.
Could
don't
you,
know.
could you just get like an ETA, just asking about how long it'll be, or, you know?
I think when you got deputies
Jason,
out
you've been able to find Tracy?
We need more tape. Oh, I forgot about that.
what we'll do
Okay.
is we'll file a
She said
complaint.
she'll be out in a few minutes. She's busy.
Okay,
Thank you,
Talk to her. You're just gonna have to wait.
all right.
thank you. That's all we're trying to do.
I'm not accusing you, no, I'm just saying my experience has been with the Arlington Police Department. Everything I say can be proven.
Cameras don't lie.
Oh, it's so bad here. One of the sergeants called me, not with internal affairs, they had a sergeant call me and made a complete fool of himself. I'm gonna request that. He says they have case law where we're no longer allowed to film traffic stops, which is completely false.
Yeah, that's
Any
absolutely
claims?
false. They're allowed to lie. Supreme Court's actually ruled that they can lie to you.
Yeah, they can.
So so he's probably just
And I called
ignorant of
him
the
out on
law.
his lies.
Huh?
I call him out on his lies. He didn't know what to say. I said, okay, well, what's case law? He didn't know what to say.
He probably doesn't even know the original
Another thing
case.
is he told a buddy of mine who's been looking into this that the videos show lies and believe what's coming out of my mouth. Don't believe the video, believe what I'm saying. That's coming from the sergeant. Place a complete con job.
You know, if everybody did what we did right now, they would stop this crap.
If they could just uphold the law, they wouldn't have to deal with these crimes.
When AI takes
They got a
over,
problem. They got a problem. with people
hopefully it'll be better, if not worse, for tyranny. I'll be right back. AI. Very good water.
One of the things you guys might notice watching at home is whenever you go to this place to file a complaint or speak to a supervisor about an incident that happened with an officer, they want to make you wait and wait and wait and wait some more. So that way you give up and leave, because the fact is they don't want you to file a complaint. I'd say 90% of them come in here, pay their dues. You don't want us to file a complaint?
Of course not.
What's crazy is It's obvious they don't want us to file a complaint. But when an officer's on the phone trying to make false charges up on people, they have the supervisor out here, they have 2 or 3 people back up instantly, like that. But when it's the citizen wanting to file a complaint, oh, we're busy in this meeting. But who knows, she's probably not even busy in a meeting.
I'd go to the next city council
They lie constantly.
and speak about how it's in the complaint process.
The Bible says, "Thou shalt not bear false witness against thy neighbor." That's why I'm here today.
Yeah, my last couple videos, there's an officer actually on video saying, on the live stream, saying he's going to falsify a police report.
Can you help?
Help to a jail cell. That's the only thing you can do. If I'm asking help from somebody, it's not a cop or a security guard. Because the only thing they're going to help you do is hem you up, throw you through the system, and either some way, either take your time, money, liberty, or, yeah.
Say that again.
Oh, go ahead. Go ahead. No, you're all right.
Hey, is Chris in your stream? What was in there?
As long as it keeps going from.
Hey, make Chris a mod.
Okay. If I can figure out how to do that from the phone here. Let's see.
Already been
Bam. Who's Chris?
He's one of our guys.
Does he have a channel?
Yeah.
Okay. So I can say in a meeting, you will not be able to come down here.
You hear what I said? I was right.
You can email her your complaint.
Well, I knew I was.
That's her email.
I knew she wasn't gonna be coming out because it's the
Let's get this
playoffs.
on there.
Yeah, make sure your viewers see
Check
that.
it with you.
And we're getting it so that everybody can make a complaint because everybody was here with us. There we go.
All right. So the conclusion was, I was right. Yet again, just as I predicted. You want to file a complaint on an officer in the Arlington Municipal Court. There'll be no supervisor to come out. They gave you this email here. Y'all can feel free to email your complaints in, and then they won't respond to the email. They won't return any phone calls. They won't do anything except take your money over here. That's the only thing this place is good for. It's taking people's money.
Okay, why is he already hiding people?
We'll go file an official complaint with Internal Affairs.
Don't
I
block
tried to address
anybody.
it with the supervisor, they wouldn't let me. So we're gonna take the next step.
Why would he immediately be blocking people?
I already knew when it comes to a complaint against the officer, I already knew they wasn't gonna take it. They were just gonna say, oh, she's gonna be, maybe wait for 30 minutes. They didn't say, oh, well, she can come out now.
All right, so at least they're not threatening you when you go in there now.
Yeah, that's gonna add back up with me.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay live until we're away from here a little bit.
Let's go smoke a cigarette, man.
We are still live.
It's just ridiculous, man. You try to file a complaint and be down here in a few minutes.
Yeah.
Oh, now she's not coming down. She's in a meeting.
Yeah. Well,
I knew that's what was going to happen. Complaint denied. Motion to speedy trial denied. Discovery denied. They don't uphold any rights here at all. It's a scam.
absolutely. All right, I'm gonna kill the live stream to preserve battery, and if anything else happens, I'll go live again. So y'all stay tuned.
They just had a lady walk out.